I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by entering the Gear Up lobby and selecting Only Way mode. This is essential because the rules restrict gear swapping. Once in the match, move to a safe corner and open your inventory quickly. Make sure your starter gear occupies slot 1. You want minimal downtime, so position yourself near cover and keep map awareness. While waiting for opponents, scan for weapon spawns and plan your first engagement. This initial setup gives you control and prevents wasted seconds when the action begins. You focus on obtaining a primary weapon, enough ammo, and 1 healing item. These 3 items sustain you through early fights. Once you find a superior item, swap it into slot 1 immediately because Only Way locks you into limited changes. Doing this prevents getting stuck with an inferior loadout. While looting, keep moving. Use slide and jump to dodge incoming fire and reduce exposure. This deliberate looting and slot management maximizes combat readiness and preserves options later. You finish by holding position with your slot 1 gear and rotating defensively toward the safe zone. This ensures you keep advantageous sight lines and time to heal. Use throwables and healing items between fights to stay topped up and conserve ammo by controlled bursts rather than spray. If the Only Way rule glitched or gear didn't swap, rejoin the match or clear Roblox cache. If the problem persists, report the bug through game support. These final steps secure wins and resolve common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.